Good Friday morning, everyone. It is Fun Friday, so check out the writing prompt in Seesaw. Be ready to share at 8:30. At 9:45, we will take the Paul Bunyan test in savasrealize.com, and we will also take our spelling test that will be in Seesaw. At 10:45, we will finish our geometricity presentations, which I believe we still have Jerry, David, and Francis, if I'm correct. And we will also introduce Area. Today's one-on-one meetings are with Tiziana, Akash, Daniela, Luciana, Sophia, Francis, Jaden, Rafaela, and Anastasia. Please check the slide for your time. Let's make it a great Friday, and we will see you guys at 8:30.